Little storyteller.
The laundry basket sat quietly, full of colorful socks. It was Sunday night, almost sleepy time. At 10 o'clock, wiggle wiggle, a blue sock with white stripes popped up. "Hooray!" he said. "It's the Sunday night sock sorting party." Soon all the other socks wiggled and giggled, coming alive. There was a fuzzy pink sock, a long green sock with yellow dots, and a little purple sock with tiny flowers. "Let's play Find Your Friend," said the blue-striped sock. The socks hopped around, looking for their partners. The fuzzy pink sock bounced over to a corner, but the sock there was stripy and brown. "Oops!" giggled the pink sock. The long green sock with yellow dots rolled under a chair. He saw another long sock, but it had blue squares. "Not you!" he chuckled. The little purple sock with tiny flowers peeked behind a toy. There was another little sock. It also had tiny flowers. "Yay!" cried the purple sock. They hugged, happy to be together. The blue-striped sock saw another blue sock with white stripes hiding under a pillow. "There you are!" he exclaimed. They did a happy little dance. Soon, all the socks had found their partners, except for the fuzzy pink sock. He looked a little sad. Then he saw a fuzzy pink sock peeking out from under the rug. "My friend!" he shouted happily. They snuggled together. With all the pairs together, the socks felt warm and cozy. As the first light of morning peeked through the window, they snuggled close. Being a pair is always better. It's like having a best friend for your foot.
Please subscribe. Thank you.